In a few minutes, I can show you how to create a money-making website even if you know nothing about how to make a website. A simple piece of software will do it for you. I don't care if you're 17 years old or 70. I don't care if your IQ is 80 or 180. I can easily show you how to use a simple piece of software to build a great looking website. But more importantly, and this is the secret sauce, I can show you how to get Google to send an unlimited amount of people to your new website for free. And even more importantly, I can show you how to turn those people into money in your bank account while helping them buy the things they already need. That's it. That is exactly what I do every single day. I have hundreds of these little websites making me money on autopilot. I'll show them to you, and I'll even show you how to copy them. The best part is you don't need any technical skills whatsoever. Just a willingness to make a change in your life. You see, Google's entire search engine is based on a mathematical equation called an algorithm, and I figured out the secret to it. Enough to make Google love my websites more than others. So my websites get listed at the top of Google when people search for the things they want to buy. And in the past 2 years, I've taught tens of thousands of people my secret, without any complicated math or techie skills or a genius IQ. I'm going to give you a short, simple, step-by-step guide to follow, and within an hour, you can have your first website up and running. Imagine seeing your website listed at the top of Google and being able to show family and friends. It's pretty exciting when you see it for the first time. And when you get your first check in the mail, it's even more exciting. You'll feel such a sense of accomplishment. I still get that feeling every single time, and it never gets old. I'll even build a profitable website right before your eyes, all on video, over and over again. Just follow along and copy me.